Hey, hello my friends, welcome back. Today I have a 2018 Ford F150 Lariat with the two-wheel drive V6 3.5 Ecoboost with the 10-speed transmission. It's a beautiful truck in black, and the interior is equipped with full leathers all around. It has a 6.5 foot bed, so it's a beautiful truck. Come with a backup camera and plug-in assist sensor. There's just a sport trim, Lariat sport trim. Come with the 18-inch wheel, wrapped in 265/60 18 tires. Check out the interior. The door is like plastic trim, door panel. The seat is with leathers. And we have the dual panel sunroof, so that you can enjoy the beautiful view of the sky in the morning or late at night. You can look up the star. It's beautiful. All leathers, a lot of space here. And the back here we got the AC vent and the heated seat. Also come with the AC outlet, 110 volt 400 watt, and a 12 volt outlet also. So a lot of room here. Alright, welcome to the driver's seat. See, it comes with the two front auto window switch, auto function, one touch. And the rear one is the regular power window switch. And we have the mirror control here. And we got the steering wheel, powers, front and front passenger, driver and passenger power seat. It's a beautiful truck. The steering wheel is very comfy. It's big and good ribs. For and come with the the cluster gauge is very easy to get. The RPM gauge here, speedometer gauge over there, and in the center we have the like a LCD screen or display screen in the middle. And I come over here in the center we have the Navi screen. This one comes with the Navi system and touchscreen. So you got the audio control, climate control, phone connection, navigation, and all the apps and settings. And we have the AC control panel down here. And another on the side here we got the power outlet 12 volt and the AC power outlet also. And over here we have the rear diff lock switch over here. And of course we have the transmission shift over here. Come with the shift button on the side that you can shift manually. And of course the center console come with a huge storage in there for your phone, your purse, or personal stuff. And in the back here we get the cup holders for the rear passenger. And in the front here, yes, we have the cup holder for the front passenger. And down here, we have the two USB port and another 12 volt outlet. Alright, let's go for a little. And we have the shade control switch over there. Alright, let's go. So it has a decent amount of power for this truck. Ooh. Little wheel spin right there. I mean, a lot of newer truck, they go in with the V6 turbo. The reason is make more power and economy also, so you get better gas mileage and more power. So that's why a lot of company go in with the smaller displacement and turbo. That's the reason for economy and powers at the same time. And thanks to the turbos, the power is very linear throughout all the RPM. And the steering wheel, we have the electronic adjustment. It's for more convenient. Alright, I will take that back. This one comes with the V6 3.5 Ecoboost and the 6-speed transmission, not the 10-speed one. I mean, either one, the power transfer is very well balanced and it's make very good power. Is surprisingly fast. With 370 horsepower, 470 foot-power torque, I would say it's a lot for the light-duty truck. I can hear that blow off valve a little bit. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it lightly. Decent for a truck. It's not gonna perform like a race car, but yes, it's well balanced. exhaust has a nice deep tone to it. It just sounds good to the ear when you really like punch it, like get on the power. Whoops. Telling you, these turbo make crazy low end torque. That's like I'm doing like 40% power on the pedal, and it's move. It's pushing it forward. Pretty hard too, even though it's not full power. One thing about trucks is like they actually very comfort to drive in. And even those like bumpy roads, you still feel it like very balanced, very well comfort. Taking the suspension is just amazing. Taking bumps and dips, like very good. That was a fun drive. So thank you for coming with me. Thank you for the experience, and I hope that you gotta like it. Please leave in a comment what do you think about this truck, and thank you again. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys next time.